This is a Canadian tax return from 2022. If you are trying to open this on a computer with US settings, it might fail. Ensure your region is set correctly and you have the Canadian software installed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's fix the region settings. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest TT22 cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A TT22 file is a backup file created by TurboTax Canada for the 2022 tax year. It contains a snapshot of the user's tax data, including income, deductions, and credits, as it existed at the time the backup was created. This file serves as a safeguard against data loss or corruption, allowing users to restore their tax return to a previous state if needed. The TT22 file format is specific to TurboTax Canada and is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of tax data. It likely incorporates data compression and error checking mechanisms to ensure data integrity. The file structure is optimized for seamless restoration within the TurboTax Canada software. It is not intended for manual editing or use with other applications. TurboTax Canada 2022, developed by Intuit, Inc., is often used as the source validator for TT22. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot interpret all embedded data elements, so the right application is needed for full access. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your TT22 file and choose Open With. Use TurboTax Canada 2022 if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. When a T22 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this TT22 error before we apply the universal fix. First, install the correct software year. Treat this file exactly like a TT22 file. Open it using the 2022 version of TurboTax Canada. Next, update the program. Ensure the software is fully updated, as some backup file types are only readable by patched versions of the application. Finally, rename extension. If the software does not recognize .tt22, try renaming the extension to .tt22 and opening it again. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.